Good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes. Children, today I will take third class English. So everyone take out your Collins English grammar book, children. Third class? Yes. So children, open. So children, already we learned 17th lesson, the simple. Yes. Already we learned what children, the simple present and present continuous tense. Simple present tense is a noun. So today we learn the simple past tense. Past tense means children, yesterday it's happened. Yesterday, past tense, it's over. Understood children? So simple past tense. Let's get started children. 17th lesson. Lesson 17. The simple past tense. Ready children? Let's get started. Read the conversation between Minnie and her mother and circle all the verbs which show action. What will complete the day before? Some of the verbs have two words. So children, here conversation Minnie and her mother. Ready children? And circle the verbs also which shown action that will complete day before. This day before. Some of the verbs have two words. Some of the words have two words children. So Minnie, mother, look, the vendor is selling orange. So Minnie told her mother, see mummy, here see vendor is selling what children? Oranges. Mother, yes Minnie, he was selling apple yesterday. So yesterday the vendor is selling what children? Apples. Yesterday means the simple past tense. It happened yesterday. Minnie, can we buy vegetables from the vendor over there? So Minnie tell, can you buy mummy vegetables from the vendor over there? Mother, yes we can. He was not there yesterday. Yes we can. He was not there yesterday. Minnie, will you also buy me a chocolate please? Minnie told, mummy, will you buy a chocolate buy me a chocolate please. Mother, you had one yesterday. So already you had yesterday one chocolate. You can have mango shake instead. So you can have mango shake instead. Read this sentence. We stayed Mumbai for 5 years. So we stayed in Mumbai 5 years. So this is simple past tense. So already is done children. Past. Okay. Tanya played at elf in the annual function. So Tanya played at elf in the annual function. So already Tanya played in the annual function. Mother made idli for breakfast. So mother made idli breakfast. Suddenly the doorbell rang. Suddenly the doorbell rang. The verb stayed, played, made and rang show action that look place in the past. So children, stayed, played, made, rang. This is actions words children. So to play, this is the past. Verb that show action that happened in the past or before the time of speaking are said to be in the simple past tense. Understood children? Action in the past or before the time speaking are the said to me, the simple past tense. These are some ways in which we from the simple past tense. See children, in your textbook, this is a way of simple past tense by adding or add after the verb. So by the adding or add after the verb. Smile, smiled. Fine, fined. Walk, walked. By replacing the y at the end of the verb is eyed. Fried, fried. Carry, carried. Apple, apply, applied. Tired, tired. So this is simple past tense. Yesterday. So by adding at the end of the verb. So when the add t at the end of the verb. Learn, learned. Dream, dreamed. Sleep, slept. Slept. Smell, smelt. By doubling the last letter of the verb and adding ed. Travel, travelled. Hop, hopped. Rub, rubbed. Some verbs do not follow this rule. There is past tense is formed differently. So some or verbs are follow this rule, children. Prefer past and from differently. Eat, ate, go, went, do, did, buy, bought, teach, taught. Understood, children? So simple past tense is, so it's happened, it's over, yesterday. Understood, children? Yes. So now, children, everyone see, children, in your textbook, page number 68, fill in the blank is the simple past tense of the given verb. So now, children, either fill the blanks, children. Write neatly. So first one. So first see, children, here. So children, see here, page number 67. Circle all the verb which show action to the complete the day before some of the verb have two words. So children, here one conversation is there, children. So we circle the verbs, children, to complete day before. So first one is selling, selling. So circle, children. So second one, was. Third one, was, had. So circle, children, in your textbook. Yes, children, finish. Next, A, B, children. Simple past tense of the given word. So A, B, simple past tense, children. So I dashed the curtain shut. So I pulled, P-U-L-L-E-D, pulled curtain shut. Gaurav dashed Ravi while playing. So Gaurav pushed. So this is simple past tense, children. This yesterday. This third one. So Manoj dropped the glass jar. G-R-O-P-P-E-D. Dropped glass jar. Fourth one. The bell rang loudly. R-A-N-G, rang loudly. So fifth one. Mr. Gupta taught us English. T-A-U-G-H-T. Taught English. So sixth one. The bus went in the wrong direction. W-E-N-T, went wrong direction. So seventh one, the crowd cheered when they saw their favorite actor. So cheered. So eighth one, the walk hollered at night. H-O-W-L-E-D, hollered at night. So write neatly, children. children. Pulled, pushed, dropped, ran, talked, went, cheered, hollered. So finish, children. So next, children, be big. Rewrite the sentence using the simple past and use the verbs given is in the below. So children, here we write sentences using the simple past tense. We use that. We write sentence use the verbs in the given this box, children. Okay, ready? She draws well. So write here what children use the verbs is. So what is the answer? She drew well. So write neatly, children, in your textbook. So first one, be bit. So first answer, D-R-E-W, drew. So second one, I watch cartoon on the weekend. Yes, so I watched cartoon in the weekend. W-A-T-C-H-E-D, watched. So third one, children, her crowd was at the match. Her crowd was at the match. So fourth answer, I traveled to Hyderabad regularly. I traveled, T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D, traveled Hyderabad regularly. So fifth one, this train went to Chennai. W-E-N-T, went to Chennai. So sixth one, he dropped the book on the floor. So D-R-O-P-P-E-D, dropped book on the floor. So seventh one, the sky became dark in the evening. So B-E-C-A-M-E, became in the evening. So eighth one, children, Meeta and Rama acted in films together. A-C-T-E-D, acted in films together. The grasshopper dashed from flower to flower. So what is the answer, children? Hopped. H-O-P-P-E-D, hopped. So 10th one, I saw bees in my garden. S-A-W, saw. So write neatly, children. Yes, children. She drew well. So first one. Second one, I watched cartoon on the weekend. So W-A-T-C-H-E-D, watched. Her crowd was at the match. W-A-S, was. I traveled to Hyderabad regularly. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D, traveled. So fifth one, the train went to Chennai. W-E-N-T, went to Chennai. He dropped the book on the floor. G-R-O-P-P-E-D. Seventh one, the sky became dark in the evening. B-E-C-A-M-E. Meeta and Rama acted in films together. A-C-T-E-D. The grasshopper hopped from flower to flower. H-O-P-P-E-D, hopped. 10th one, I saw bees in my garden. S-A-W, saw. Simple past tense. D-R-E-W, drew. W-A-T-C-H-E-D, watch. W-A-S, was. T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D, traveled. W-E-N-T, went. D-R-O-P-P-E-D, dropped. B-S-B-E-C-A-M-E, become. A-C-T-E-D, acted. H-O-P-P-E-D, hopped. S-A-W, saw. Yes, the simple present tense means it's happened. It's happened yesterday. Yes, children. So last class we learned the simple present. Simple present means now. Simple present means now, and present continuous means present continuous in words. And the simple past tense means yesterday. It happened. Understood, children? So write neatly. Yes, children. So finish. So children, the simple past tense lesson is completed, done. So complete your notes and textbook also, children. I will check in the video calling. Okay. So children, we meet you next class, children. Bye. Take